National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Noble County in north central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Payne County in north central Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Lake Carl Blackwell, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Perry, Morrison, Red Rock, Marland, Lake McMurtry, Sooner Lake, Lake Carl Blackwell, and Ceres. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 177 and 206. Move inside a sturdy building until the